We went to a cool bike show and we found out by accident about Estarli, and we thought we'd pop in, and they showed us around the factory and they let us try all the bikes. And we were immediately, because they had such a good range of bikes, that we were really, really happy with them, and we would, really wanted to sell them in our shop because we knew they'd be popular for Guernsey, and we were right. Right, Lottie, off we go, back to work. This is Oatlands Village, this is our shop. Welcome to Wheels & Co. Come on in.
My name's Matt, I'm the co-owner of Wheels & Co, Guernsey, wife of Sue. Sorry, husband of Sue. Our idea was, because of our passion for cycles isn't exclusively for one type of cycling, we wanted that to transfer to the shop itself. There's a great demand in Guernsey for e-bikes. For various reasons, Guernsey just suits the e-bike thing. There's a lot of traffic and narrow roads, and e-bikes are a good way of getting around because nowhere's too far. So we do a lot of e-bike sales here, but we also sell mountain bikes, children's bikes, road bikes, gravel bikes. This is a shop for anyone who's into cycling.
So this is a really good bike for Guernsey. We've sold lots of these because they don't even look like e-bikes. They're very sleek, they're lovely colour, they're very light. Lots of people want to get out of their cars, and these are a really good price. Get a lot of bike for the money. Teenagers like them, mums like them, dads like the crossbars. We mainly sell the belt drive. The automatic, people just like the fact they just get on and pedal and it goes. And of course, the added benefit of these is if you do happen to run out of power, you can pretty much ride it like a normal bike. You know, some other bikes you wouldn't want to ride without any power, but these they're so light that they ride really nicely, even in a very low power mode.
People will come in and say, I don't want to spend too much, but I want a nice light bike that's a step through and that goes quite well. And we're like, well, that's an Estarli. And quite often we don't really need to do much more selling than that, if I'm honest. They look at them, they like the way they look, and then it's just a question of belt drive or chain drive, really.
The roads are very, very busy at school run time. These are absolutely perfect for school run. You can get 2 or 3 kids on the back, and you can get all your school bags in the back. You can avoid all the traffic problems because there are many. Even if you can get to school, the driving around the school car park is chaotic. It's really nice for the kids to turn up, having a bit of fresh air as well. It's a nice start to their day. In the summer, everyone swarms to the beach and you can't get a parking space anywhere. So this is perfect because you can just load up all your kit for the day, and off you go. You can just park them right on the beach, practically.
Really good.
Yeah,
really smooth.
They are, aren't they? You can barely tell you've got that big load behind you. Yeah.
Because I know the turns you can have it with just one seat on the back.
Yeah.
And so they're a bit shorter. Because I always thought you'd feel like you're kind of
swaying around.
Actually, you don't feel it at all.
Belt drive again, so these are really low maintenance, more durable, less mess, adjustable, so we find all families can share them. Mums and dads can both ride them, easily adjustable seats and handlebars. This one catches people's attention, and then sometimes the dads object and want to get a grey one, but usually the mums win. Brilliant.
Cool, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
See you again. Bye.
Estarli's work particularly well out of all the brands we do for a number of reasons. They are attractive bikes to look at, they are practical bikes to use, they feel nice to ride, but very importantly, a very good price point as well. So a customer comes in and describes what their needs are, which is often commuting, but sometimes it's even more casual than that, nipping to the shops or out on a summer's evening. When a customer comes in and describes their needs, and it's that kind of need, the Estarli fits the bill perfectly.
We were very surprised about how many people actually want to buy folding bikes. Lots of people in Guernsey have boats and camper vans, or they've just got limited space. So these are brilliant because they ride really nicely and they look great and they're so practical and they're really fun and they're really nice colours. Very, very popular. It was our very first bicycle sale, I believe, and in fact it might have even been this colour. Somebody took one for a test drive and absolutely loved it, and then we realised that these would actually be perfect. There's lots of people who have boats and motorhomes, and we do find a lot of couples buy them as well. So it won't just be one person, but we'll have his and hers.
Fundamental parts of this business that have really helped us get where we are, and some of them are staff, some of them are location, but some of them are the brands as well, and amongst them Estarli is definitely helped get us where we are today. They are bikes that sell themselves. We've done a higher volume of them than any other brand, and they've also been extremely reliable and good to work with. I would say Estarli are part of the reason why Wheels & Co are where we are today.